My son Peyton, he's one of 5. He's our youngest and the only one of our children who has done sports in high school. He started out as a swimmer and transitioned into water polo. We heard stories of people, sometimes getting injuries, and we've always heard how aggressive the sport was. Swimming was safe. He swam down the lane, didn't have to worry about, anybody hitting him. We were lucky up until last fall. Took us by surprise in one of his games, and he came out with an injury.
I was hit right in between my nose, right here, with an elbow.
Next thing I know, he's climbing out of the pool when he normally doesn't.
I told my coach I had to get pulled out because I just was feeling awful. I had a really bad headache. I started getting nauseous.
And then the next thing I know, he's taking off his game cap. And then that really signaled to me that something was not right.
On the car ride home, I was starting to feel a little bit better. But once I got home and a little bit settled, all the adrenaline kind of went down a little bit from it. I started to feel some of that nausea and headache come back.
The night that Peyton had his injury, Kim, his mother, expressed a concern because some of his symptoms were worsening.
Brendan texted back within 5 minutes and proceeded to tell us what we should do next.
He figured out that I most likely had a concussion, so he then gave me the next steps to see how I can get back not only into the pool, but also back into school.
About 6 years ago, we saw the need to have support with concussion testing and trainers, and that's where Sutter Health stepped forward to join us in the district in addressing that need.
Sutter partnered with Novato Unified School District to purchase the Impact Concussion Testing software.
The software tests how their brain works before a concussion and then after a concussion.
We can monitor not only their physical return to play, but their cognitive return to learning and to competition as well.
Our community is so supportive of the certified athletic trainers. Not only are they just great guys, but their service during the games really alleviates a lot of the concerns that our parents have about kids playing in contact sports.
Knowing that we have an athletic trainer who is so responsive and so knowledgeable made it so we can sleep at night.
Funding and education is a huge issue these days, and frankly, if Sutter Health wasn't there to help support us, I'm not sure that we'd be able to fund it ourselves in Nevada.